it's me again, Janice from Achevas. Today we are going to take a break from AMF. Let me talk about how association will help you to remember your physics. Okay, so how am I going to remember 7 electronic waves in the order of increasing frequency? Radio wave, microwave, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma ray. So we take the first letter out of everyone and we're going to form a sentence. Raymond is visiting your ex-girlfriend. Now take a look at how easy your brain can comprehend the sentence instead of all the unfamiliar physics words to you. And it's very cool, isn't it? We add an F at the end of gamma ray. That means that gamma ray has the highest frequency. I'm going to give you a second example where we need to apply Fleming rules to electric motors and electric generators. How do you remember right hand or left hand, right? Or if you're on the screen, my hands are different from you, so left and right should be opposite. So let's take a look at electric motors. Start from M. How about we are linking it M to male and generator G to girl, okay? I'm going to tell you something that you might not agree with me, but girls are always right. So generator will be using right hand Fleming's rule and motor will be using Fleming's left hand rule. Okay, so this is how association can help you in physics. I hope you like this video. If you're interested to learn AMF with me with this very special method of association, I'm going to do it a lot in AMF, okay? Especially like logarithm or differentiation. It might seem like a topic that's very dry to you, but if you're going to use a bit of association in your studies, it will actually speed up the way you learn AMF.